How to remove mold from grout.
By Tile and Grout Cleaning, Melbourne. Mold grows in mild, moist environments, therefore it's no consternation that the bathroom is one of its chosen places. Molds do not just dull the shine and brightness of tiles, but it also can trigger health infections in susceptible people. Cleaning grout can be tiresome, but it can be an easy task if you clean as mentioned in this video. Tips to remove molds from grout. Step 1. Pick a clean sponge to make it wet using mild water and clean the area that needs to be treated. Step 2. To remove those molds that are growing quickly on your grout, you can use a solid bristled brush or any old toothbrush. Step 3. Wash the treated area with warm water and pat the grout and clean it using a white cloth. Tips to treat light mildew stains. Step 1. Mix equivalent portions refined white vinegar and lukewarm water in a spray bottle. Spray the solution straight over the dirty grouts. Step 2. Let the vinegar sit over the stained area for 15 minutes. Step 3. Scrub the stained area with a brush until the mildew spots get extracted. Then wash the treated with lukewarm water, then dry the area with a clean white cloth. Hire professionals. You can get to Tile and Grout Cleaning Melbourne if you want the best services for tile grout cleaning. We are Melbourne's most reputable organization who have more than 25 years of experience in this industry. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get amazing cleaning tips.